Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a shirt for y'all, so let's jump into the video. So I'm just going to lay this shirt flat out so we can go ahead and get started. Now, I got this shirt from Roses for $3.99. If you guys don't know what Roses are, then you probably don't have one where you live at. But yeah, so I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut this shirt in half, almost like a little down farther where the crease is. So to smooth out the edges of the bottom of the shirt, I'm going to fold it back. Make sure that the part is folded on the inside, not the outside. And I'm just going to sew it, but I'm going to leave a little hole because what I'm going to do is, you guys will just see. Okay, so now I'm going to take this safety pin and this little long skinny piece of elastic band, and I'm going to attach it to it, and I'm just going to pull and push through the little hole of the folded back fabric on the shirt until it gets to the opening. Once I get it through the hole, I'm going to sew the elastic pieces together, and then I'm going to sew the hole up, which of course I did not get on camera, and I'm sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, this is basically the end of this video. But this is a very easy little simple DIY. I really was trying to do something more advanced, but it didn't work out. But that's okay, because I will definitely have another video up. But this is the finishing product, and I added that little piece in the middle, and I didn't get that on camera either. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, you guys.